Hi, and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. And this is going to be postcard number 23 of the challenge hashtag July postcard play. Started by Carrie Griffiths, which is Carrie the Crafter. And let's do this. I have it kind of like what it is. And this is like a rolled flower punch that I unrolled because I want it like right here. So that's what is that. Let's see. Oh yeah, gonna need my glue. I kind of want these. Actually, that's fine right there. Let's just start gluing, see what goes. Okay, let's see. I am loving these flowers. Leah got me hooked on these flowers. It's kind of like doodle flower. And you can doodle yourself, but you can cut them out like this one. Okay, let's do that right there. Um, I think I like it there. Because if I do it down here, it's going to look weird. Let's do that right there. These are cute. I like these. This one kind of looks like a spider web. Let me know if you guys are liking these, or should I go another route? Let me see. However it lands, it goes. It kind of blends right here. Maybe I'll put some gold on here somehow. And that way, it doesn't look too blending. This flower, I cut them out with cardstock. I tried thin paper. It does work on thin paper, but it's more difficult to take off. Very, very thin, thin, thin. Kind of twig. We can cut the excess off here. Excuse me. There we go. I think I am gonna get my gold out, or maybe the yellow. I have yellow, or what color is this? Gamboga. This is bright, so let's try this one. Tiny bit at a time so they can know where this goes. It's kind of like bright gold, so maybe it's almost the same. How does that look? It's not that blendy, huh? Trying to get the dark spots. Not too much. Oops. Okay. I think that's good. You can see it a little more, and plus it's a little shiny. So that goes there. Let's stamp, which is using the archival inkjet black. I want to stamp the number 23. Oops. Up here. Oh, that is backwards, but it still looks like an N. So, anyways, let's add this. Let me take this off. I do and I don't. But if I leave it like that, you can barely see it. And if I do this, you can tell something's there. So let's try this. Kind of like the other one that had a fence. Because if I do that, it's going to cover everything. I think that's good enough glue there. Like I said, this is a punch that I recently got. It's kind of tough. I was working the punch and it's wouldn't cut all the way through, but once you start punching and punching and punching things with different materials, it comes out. So like that, and then commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. Proverbs 16:3. And I've noticed, I think I'm going to put it here. I have noticed that my jelly prints are pink purples lately, when there were blues and other colors. I think it's done. It's cool because you still can see the background jelly print here, and it's really nice. It's like if it was a sunset with the pinks, not the greens, but kind of like sunset mix. Oh yeah, let's take off the excess, and then we're done. We're definitely done with the 23. There we go. So I hope you like it. I'm getting more into mixed media, so thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. Um, I'm gonna have the hashtag on the title. You can click on it. It turns blue, so you can click on it and you see other artists, girls, ladies and gentlemen that are also doing this, and you can see the different kinds of art. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.